Step into
Value Zone.
Value Zone. Hypermark. Button cheru.
Hi, I'm Uday Bhaskar. I'm an English and soft skills trainer. I've been into this English and soft skills training for the past 19 years. Now the 19th year is running. Before I came into this training, English and soft skills training sessions, I worked in Border Security Force, BSF. You must have heard about this one, my dear. So basically, I was a soldier. I worked. Later, I came into this English and soft skills training sessions. Let's begin today's session. Today, I'm going to teach you prepositions. Preposition. See, my dear friends, I've used the word teach. So usually prepositions cannot be taught. Got it, my dear friends? Here, prepositions cannot be taught. I do my best to bring an awareness on prepositions. Right? Listen carefully. Preposition. What do you mean by preposition? Preposition is a word. It is a word or group of words. Word or group of words. Sir, what's this? You are saying a word, a group of words. What's this? Come on, let me show you. Preposition is a word I said on, in, at, with, under, underneath, right? Underneath, above, below, beside, besides, like this, from, to, like this. These are words. Preposition is a word. Got it? Same. Group of words I said. What's that? See, because of and down. Because of. It is a group of words. Two-word group. Because of. Same. Due to. This is also a group of words. Means two-word group. Owing to. Owing to. This is also a group of words. Means two-word group. Owing to. On behalf of. On behalf of. On top. Same. In front of. In front of. Same. Instead of. Instead of. On top. All these are, my friends. There are many more. Like you say again. In order to. We say. On account of. On account of. By virtue of. All these are prepositions, but these are phrasal prepositions. These are called phrasal prepositions because these are group of words, right? Two-word group, right? Again, three-word group, like this. So preposition is a word, yes. Group of words, yes. And again, it is said placed before a noun. This placed before a noun. Placed before a noun or pronoun. I repeat, my dear friends, preposition is a word or group of words placed before a noun or pronoun to say the position, right? To say the position. To say the position of the noun or pronoun. To say the position of the noun or pronoun. That is, my friends, pronoun. This is, my dear. It is placed before noun or pronoun to say the position of noun or pronoun. Saying the position. What is this? Simple example. A cat is on the table, like this. Cat is on the table. In this sentence, on is a preposition, right? On is a preposition. According to our definition, preposition is a word. Yes, it is a word. Placed before a noun. Yes, placed before a noun. To say the position of noun or pronoun. Like to say the position of cat. We ask, where is the cat? Sir, it is on the table. Suppose preposition is like this. We use under. Again, this is a preposition. Says the position of cat. Cat is, where is the cat? Cat is under the table, means saying the position. That is, my friends. Again, I just ask you, where is your bike? Then you say, sir, my bike beside the car. You are saying the position of your bike beside the car. Beside ante prakkana ani cheppam. Car pakkane undi sir ani cheptanu. Again, I ask someone, where is your bike? Then you say, sir, behind the car. You are saying the position of the bike behind the car. Again, I ask you, where is your bike? Then you say, sir, in front of the gate. In front of the gate. So these prepositions are used to say the position of noun or pronoun, my dear friends. Got it? And the other one. This preposition gives relation between noun and some other word in the same sentence. Sir, what's this? Come on, that is the second usage. Right? It gives relation between noun and some other word in the same sentence. Come on, let me show you that. Like see, the river flows under the bridge, I say. The river flows under the bridge. In this sentence, under is a preposition, right? Bridge is a noun, flows is a verb, river is a noun. Now, coming to the definition, preposition is a word. Preposition is a word. Yes, sir, it is a word. Placed before a noun. Yes, sir, placed before a noun. Gives relation between noun and some other word in the same sentence. Here, preposition under gives the relation between bridge and flow. See, this is the bridge. This is the river. River flows under the bridge. Here we are giving relation between flow and the bridge. Flow ki bridge ki madhya relation explain chestunnam. So the river flows under the bridge. Got it, my friends here? So prepositions are used to say the position as well as to give relation between noun and some other word in the same sentence. My dear friends, we must learn about prepositions. These are very simple but confuses a little. Got it, my friends here? Very, very important, these prepositions. Now, coming to the point, prepositions. Remember, my dear friends, prepositions cannot be taught. What, sir? You are saying you are teaching? No, I am just giving you an awareness, just bringing an awareness. Got it, my friends here? This is just awareness. Prepositions cannot be taught. Remember, these are learned through practice and experience. Got it? Through practice and experience, prepositions are learned. And prepositions, we cannot give exact meanings to these prepositions. Remember that. Again, prepositions. There are some prepositions follow the verbs. There are some prepositions do not follow the verbs. Why? There is no reason to this. I repeat, prepositions cannot be taught and these are learned through practice and experience, and we cannot give exact Telugu meanings to these prepositions. There are some prepositions follow the verbs. There are some prepositions do not follow the verbs. I told you there are some prepositions follow the verbs. There are some prepositions do not follow the verbs, I said. We shall discuss them in our next video. Thank you.